Alright, so it's the next day, just cleaning everything really good, and then I'm gonna prime it, and then I'm gonna paint it. Yeah, it's pretty sloppy. I got some paint on some places I don't want it to be, but I mean, I didn't really prep it like a professional would. I just applied my third and last coat. Only got through like half the bottle. After that, I'm gonna take the wiring harness off of that, and then try to put in the new engine. Yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna take all this off, and we're gonna put the new parts. Hopefully they don't mess up.
And I did it all by myself. And you gon' help me when you leave. Another one under my belt. That shit still mean nothing to me. Get money, nigga, like my pops. That's another 1000 on lean. Another 1000 on beans. Did it all by myself. That bitch still mean nothing to me.
I gotta go, baby broke, losing the hope, she's a joke, losing the show, she's scared of the dome, please give me a dope, my bitch is the least, my bitch is the gold, my bitch is the chose, got me a bag, ready to fold, ready to fold, money to fold, money my hoe, this money don't fold, this money my hoe. They eat fix the back how they go beat me.
Alright, so now we got the engine in, and right now I'm just connecting some hoses. I'm gonna put the ignition coils in, and so this is the brand I went with. I just bought them off eBay. It's like $140, so I spent a lot of money, but I guess Z1 sells them for like $300. I was like, nah. And it's red, so it should look cool. But yeah, I'm gonna take these throttle bodies off. Boom. Throttle bodies are off. Now I'm gonna check the spark plugs, and then I'm gonna put the coil pack in. Boom. Actually, I didn't really know about the red, but I think I kind of like it, because this right here plugs into the alternator, and it doesn't have the clip that goes right here, so it's broken. So I ordered a new connector, and I'm basically gonna cut this one off, rewire it to a new connector. Really, all you do is just cut the ends and then put it in these things and then squish it. And I think that's literally it. Maybe apply some heat, but it seems pretty simple. I just finished. They're all rewired. It's really supposed to be this long, but now it's like super long. I probably should have cut these wires like down here, but I'm not really worried about it. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Alright, wrapped it up with electrical tape, and that was my first time ever doing that, and I didn't do too bad, but yeah. So with these intakes, there's this that connects into that, and instead of buying the $30 hoses from Z1, I just went to AutoZone and bought this little hose right here, cut it, and I'm just gonna put it in, bend it. I think I need to cut it shorter, but put it in, and I have some clamps to recycle, and yeah. Alright, so after trying to bend this thing into fitting in that hole and curving into this hole, it just doesn't work. So I cut off some pieces from some other things, and I got this. I'm thinking I can use this solid piece to go in here, and then this goes like in here. And so after about an hour of cutting and putting hoses and so this is all just recycled. I mean, it's gonna look weird, but if it can go on, then I'm not tripping. Okay, I don't really know how I got that to work, but that's in there. It's turning, but it's not bent to where air can't flow through it. And this comes up here. This is hard, so it can't bend really. So air's still going through. And I probably need some clamps on these, but I'm not worried about it right now. And yeah, that's probably one of the hardest things I've ever done. And then on this side, this is just the original clamp but instead of because really you're supposed to replace this, and it's supposed to just be a like one long hose. Instead I just attached the hose to the end of this and right here, and yeah, boom, just like that. We got the engine in, we got all the hoses connected, all the wires connected, headlights on. I don't have the wires connected to the headlights yet. We got the intakes on. We got this plastic stuff back on, batteries in. I mean, I don't know, dude. I'm pretty excited. Tomorrow I go to work, and then I'm gonna meet up with Jeremy, and me and him are gonna put some oil in it. We're gonna put transmission fluid in it and coolant, and then we're gonna try to start this thing, and hopefully things go good. All right, finally both test pipes are in. This side is actually really good, but this side I got these two bolts in on this side, and then this one won't go all the way down, so it's gonna be a little exhaust leak coming out of this corner, so it might not sound the best, but the exhaust is on. That's all I care about. Worst comes to worst, I'll just take it to the exhaust shop. All right, and that's it for tonight. I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. They look good. Oh. Eating this fast in a while. Here we go. See if it works. You ready?